we are knocking on another celebrity's door para i-discover ang iba't ibang paandar sa loob ng kanyang tahanan.
Sabay-sabay na tayo mag-house tour dito sa
How's Your Home?
Hello mga Mars! Ako po si Princess Villago at wini-welcome ko kayo sa aking bahay. Tara, let's go! So, ito na. Mahilig kami sa mga paintings. And my family loves portraits. Kaya, nagpapapaint kami kay... this painting was done by Alcoaz. This was done by Ed Lantin. Both of these, my parents. Tapos, ito rin, kami ng mommy ko. Syempre, sobrang memorable siya sa akin kasi kakamatay lang ng mom ko 2 years ago. Kaya, this painting really means a lot to us. So, ayan mga Mars, ito ang paborito kong spot sa bahay. One of my favorite spots kasi dito kami nag-hangout ng mga friends ko. Ayan, yung mga books. Basa-basa ng mga books pag may time. Dito. Tapos, like all these chairs, it's good for 20. All in one time. I'm gonna tour you sa dining na favorite spot ko talaga to entertain people because my family loves to entertain people. Kaya, and then this is our butler, Bong. Say hi, Bong. Hi. Actually, our house was patented after Versailles. Kaya, and because my family loves Paris, all gold, maraming chandelier, and perfect spot to entertain a lot of guests. Tara na, let's go upstairs. Upstairs. Makikita niyo ang aking kwarto. Let's go. Let's go. So, mga Mars, this is my humble abode. Welcome to my room. So, let's go. Tutur ko kayo. So, meron rin siyang hangout area kapag gusto kong all girls lang, dito kami nag-hangout. Sa couch na to, sobrang komportable. Pag nagsusummer party kami, or we have tea, or coffee. And then, this is my first walk-in closets. I have 3. Because my clothes won't fit. Pero they're all organized by color and style. So, this is all white dresses, beige, black. This side, lahat ng red, lahat ng dark blue, tapos dito yung mga tops. So, yan yung mga baby pink, nandito lahat, mga fuchsia, purple. So, this is my second closet. Lahat ng winter clothes ko nandito. So, this is my third closet. These are my shoes and my bags. So, typical girl, kailangan magkasya ang shoes and bags, diba? So, yan. So, ayan. Tour ko kaya sa mga Christmas decors. Let's go! And ito, ang Christmas tree na dinesign ko on my own. Yan. Red and gold. Ang theme namin all the time ever since my mom was alive naman. Kaya, masaya ako na ako nag-design ng Christmas tree this year because I learned it after my mom. Itong Christmas village na to, ang mommy ko ang bumili ng mommy ko, ako at saka sister ko ang bumili ng each and every house and every item that's here on the Christmas village. All the girls in the house. So there. Mars Camille and Mars Susie. See you soon! And bye mga guys!